Dear children, welcome back in our today's class. I hope you all are doing your regular study, watching the tutorial videos. Yes, don't skip anything, please go with the flow. So, we have started with chapter number 6, that is refraction of light, and we have seen most of the topics from this chapter. Yes, so today also we are going to learn a very interesting and very simple topics from this chapter. But before moving to our today's topics, what we have to do, we have to revise the last class content. Okay, so in the last class we have seen a very beautiful topic, that is dispersion of light. So as the name suggests, what do you mean by dispersion, students? Dispersion, which means what? A separation. Okay, light gets separated into the different colors, that is we called as Vibgyor, which means a 7 different colors. So here what happens is, when the white light coming from the sun through the air enters any refracting medium, it emerges as a spectrum of 7 colors. Okay, it emerges as a spectrum, which means what? Different colors. Okay, yes. So the process of separation of light into its component colors while passing through a medium is called as dispersion of light. When one light rays enters into any medium, what happens? It gets refracted, okay, and we will get a 7 different colors. Okay, so it is called as what? That is called as dispersion of light. Dispersion, which means a separation. One light gets separate into the different colors. Okay, then here you can see among the 7 colors, red bends the least. रेड लाइट जो है वो सबसे कम जो है वो बेंड होती है, एंड वॉयलेट लाइट बेंड्स द मोस्ट. यस, हियर द वॉयलेट लाइट इट बेंड्स द मोस्ट from the 7 colors. Okay, yes, and related to the wavelength, red light has maximum wavelength and violet light has the smallest wavelength. Do remember this, because sometimes it will asked, it already asked and it will asked in the exam. Okay, yes, then we have seen twinkling of stars, a very easy topic. It's all about imagination. Okay, so here what happens? First let's revise this diagram. If you can see, you are standing over here, and when you look in the sky, what you see? You see star to be here, but star is not here, star is here. So why this happens? Because of changing the refractive index, okay, changing air density, temperature, okay, different motion of atmosphere gets changed. Because of that, what we can see? We can see star over here, okay, but star's actual position is what? It is over here. Okay, yes, same thing happens over here. This is the earth, there are different layers. Okay, here you can see atmospheric layers, troposphere, mesosphere, ionosphere. So different kinds of layers are there. Okay, so if we are standing over here, and where is the sun? Sun's real position, actual position is here, but where we see it? We see it over here. Okay, so this is because of what? As I have already told you, changing the refractive index, okay, changing atmosphere, changing density and temperature. क्या होता है? All the process gets changed, and because of that we can see the sun's position to be here, but it is not here, it is actually here. Okay, yes, so you all know that stars have its own light. Okay, they are self luminous, and we can see the star only in absence of sunlight. Yes, and they appear to be a point source, because what? They are at a very large distance from us. Point source, which means what? Now you can see this light, this red light which is there. Okay, it is a point light, very small light. Okay, yes, then Apparent position of star keeps changing, as I have already told. The refractive index of air also continuously changed. Yes. We do not see the twinkling of planets. Planets जो होते हैं they are much closer to us as compared to stars. Stars are at far from us, but planets are much closer to us. So that's why they appeared as a collection of point source. Collection, which means what? When one point source combined with other, we will get its collection. So planets are somewhat like that. Okay. So this is about your last class revision. Now here we are going to learn partial and total internal reflection. Students, remember reflection. Reflection, which means when a ray of light bounces back within the same medium, it is called as reflection. वो रिफ्रैक्ट नहीं होती है, वो दूसरे मीडियम में नहीं जाती है, वो क्या होती है? रिफ्लेक्ट होती है, मतलब बाउंसेस बैक विद इन द सेम मीडियम. सो पार्शियल मतलब समवट, ओके, हाफ हाफ. And total, which means a full ray of light gets reflected within the same medium. What is that exactly? We will learn now. First, let's see this diagram. Okay, here you can see one medium 1, that is air, and air is called as which medium? Rarer medium. Okay, now here water you can see, it is medium 2, and it is called as which medium? Denser medium. Okay, so air is a rarer medium, and here water is there, so it is called as a denser medium. And here you can see a source of light. Okay, yes. Now when the light enters a rarer medium from a denser medium, it gets partially reflected. Okay, here the light source is there. When the light enters a rarer medium, मतलब कहाँ पर? यहाँ पर. कहाँ से? डेंसर मीडियम से. तो डेंसर मीडियम तो यहाँ पर है. ओके, सो व्हेन इट एंटर टू द rarer medium from denser medium, it gets partially reflected. Now here you can see this ray. Can you see this ray? Yes. As I have told you, reflection, which means what? A ray of light bounces back within the same medium. तो यहाँ पर देखो, ये रे ऑफ लाइट यहाँ से गई है, यहाँ पर गई, एंड आधी लाइट जो है वो सेम मीडियम में वापस आ गई. ओके, यस. देन पार्ट ऑफ लाइट गेट्स रिफ्लेक्टेड एंड कम्स बैक इनटू द डेंसर मीडियम एज पर द लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. पार्ट ऑफ लाइट गेट्स रिफ्लेक्टेड, वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो गई, एंड कम्स बैक इनटू द डेंसर मीडियम, सेम मीडियम में वो बैक हो गई. Now here you can see the second ray also. It will also happens like a same. Okay, क्या हुआ है? हाफ ऑफ द लाइट जो है वो यहाँ पर गई है, रेरा मीडियम में गई है, एंड हाफ ऑफ द लाइट जो है वो किस में आ गई? फिर से डेंसर मीडियम में वापस आ गई. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पार्शियल रिफ्लेक्शन. पार्शियल रिफ्लेक्शन, विच मीन्स वॉट? The rest of the light gets refracted and goes into the rarer medium. Okay, यहाँ पर देखो, this light it's a refracted light. Here reflected लिखा है, but that is not reflected. It is called as refracted because half of the light यहाँ पर वापस आ गई, and half of the light कहाँ पर गई? rarer medium में गई, refract हो गई. Okay, you can see bending over here. तो जब bending होती है तब refraction होता है. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज पार्शियल रिफ्लेक्शन? इन पार्शियल रिफ्लेक्शन, हाफ ऑफ द लाइट व्हाट इट गेट्स रिफ्लेक्ट. ओके, इट गेट्स रिफ्लेक्ट बैक इनटू द सेम मीडियम, एंड हाफ ऑफ द लाइट गोज इनटू द अनदर मीडियम. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ as the light is going from denser medium to the rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. Now you can see second light, ray of light. Okay, it is going to the rarer medium from denser medium. It bends away from the normal. Now you can see it bends away from the normal. Already we have seen its law. Okay, तो वो कैसे bend हो रही है? Normal से away. This perpendicular is a normal. I is what? Angle of incidence. R is what? एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, यहाँ पर हम रिफ्लेक्शन के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. सो आर इज कॉल्ड एज एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. ओके, नाउ so here as I have already told you, angle of incidence is I and is smaller than angle of reflection R. तो I जो होता है वो small होता है than angle of reflection, that is R. Okay, so students, if we increase I, R will also increase according to the Snell's law. Snell's law में what we have seen, and that is refractive index is equal to sin I upon sin R, that is constant. तो जैसे sin I है वैसे भी sin R होना चाहिए. Yes, so if we increase I, R will also increase, that is called as what? Snell's law. Okay, yes. Then students, for a particular value of I, the value of R becomes equal to 90 degree, then the value of I is called as critical angle. जब R जो है एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन जो है वो 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा तब उसको क्या बोलते हैं? देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ क्रिटिकल एंगल. ओके, 90 डिग्री विच मीन्स अ क्रिटिकल एंगल. ओके, सो फॉर एंगल्स ऑफ इंसिडेंट लार्जर देन द क्रिटिकल एंगल, द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन इज लार्जर देन 90 डिग्री. सो व्हेन व्हाट हैपेंड, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट वो it is of 90 degree, then it is called as a critical angle. Okay, so such rays return to the denser medium, thus all the light gets reflected back in the denser medium, and that is called as total internal reflection. अभी ध्यान से देखना है लास्ट वाली रे को. यहाँ पर देखो, ये वाली रे जो है ये यहाँ से आई, यहाँ तक आ गई. ओके, एंड इट गेट्स रिफ्लेक्टेड विद इन द सेम मीडियम. अभी ये लाइट जो है वो यहाँ पर जा रही है क्या? नहीं, इट विल नॉट गो इनटू द रेयर मीडियम. येस, इट विल बाउंस बैक इनटू द सेम, दैट इज़ डेंसर मीडियम. यहाँ पर हमने क्या देखा? हाफ ऑफ द लाइट गोज इनटू द रेयर मीडियम एंड हाफ ऑफ द लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट इनटू द डेंसर मीडियम. बट हियर this kind of thing not happens. Here what happened, all the light gets reflected into the denser medium, and that is called as total internal reflection. यहाँ पर हमने पार्शियल क्यों बोला? बिकॉज हाफ लाइट यहाँ पे गई, हाफ लाइट यहाँ पर आ गई. बट यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? here you can see whole light, all the light gets reflected into the same medium. So that is called as total internal reflection. Now I hope you all are clear with it. Okay, yes. So we can determine the value of critical angle as follows. So 1 and 2, इसको हम कैसे रीड करेंगे? refractive index of medium 1 with respect to 2. Okay, all of you remember this? Yes. So that is equal to sin I upon sin R. Yes, but for the total internal reflection, that is I, that is R is equal to 90 degree. Yes, I is, if I is critical angle, then R is equal to 90 degree. Okay, तो हम sin R की जगह पे sin 90 लिखेंगे. sin 90 कितना होता है? 1. So what answer we will get over here? That is sin I. Sin I is the answer we will get over here. Okay, so it is about partial and total internal reflection. Now another term, what is the term? Can you see? Can you imagine it from the picture? Yes, it is something related to the rainbow. We are going to learn about how rainbow gets produced, rainbow production. So you all know that we have already seen the rainbow. Okay, rainbow is a naturally beautiful phenomenon. Yes, and it is combined effect of number of natural process. रेनबो जो है वो ऐसे ही नहीं फॉर्म होता है, उसमें बहुत सारे नेचुरल प्रोसेस मिल के विल गेट अ परफेक्ट पिक्चर एज अ रेनबो. ओके, so it is a combined effect of dispersion which means what? Separation of light, then refraction. Okay, refraction मतलब bending of light, and the total internal reflection, which means when a light ray bounces within the same medium. तो क्या होता है, टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन, एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन just now. Okay, it can be seen mainly after rainfall. Yes. So how the rainbow gets formed, let's see. Now you can see this picture. This is a small droplet. It acts as a prism. Now when the light rays from the sun enter into the droplet, it gets refracted and dispersed. This is the light ray. Okay, when it is entered into the droplet, can you see this bending? Yes, you can see this bending. So that is called as what? Refraction and dispersion, dispersed into the different lights. Here can you see this two lights, pink color and blue color, ऐसे दो लाइट मेंशन किया है. ओके, फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. बट आपको क्या ध्यान में रखना है, लाइट रेज इनटू द व्हेन द लाइट रेज एंटर्ड इनटू द ड्रॉपलेट, व्हाट हैपन, इट गेट्स रिफ्रैक्ट. Okay, that means it gets bent and dispersed into the different colors. After that what happened, total internal reflection takes place. यहाँ तक हो गया हमारा. फिर उसके बाद you can see this. तो ये क्या हुआ है, ये हुआ है total internal reflection. जैसे कि all the light rays bounces back within the same medium. कोई भी रेज यहाँ पर जा रही है नहीं, all the light rays bounces back within the same medium. So that is called as total internal reflection takes place over here. And the last process, that is after that once again light gets refracted. अभी यहाँ पर देखो लाइट जो है वो रिफ्रैक्ट हो रही है while coming out of the droplet. Yes, when it is coming out of the droplet it gets refracted. You can see this bending over here. Okay, that means a refraction takes place, and this all three process together produce a rainbow. पहले क्या होता है, लाइट एंटर होती है दूसरे मीडियम में, तब वो क्या होती है, वो होती है रिफ्रैक्ट एंड डिस्पर्स्ड. ओके, आफ्टर दैट टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन टेक्स प्लेस. येस, and after that again refraction will takes place when the light rays refracted while coming out of the droplet. Okay, so ये तीन प्रोसेस मिलके रेनबो फॉर्म होता है. ठीक है, so it is very beautiful phenomenon. I have given 3 MCQs to you for your homework. So what you have to do, you have to mark the correct one, write down this in your notebook, okay, and solve it. Thank you students. We have seen today partial and total internal reflection and rainbow production. Okay, go through the video. Thank you.